EWM BBP template part 6 final recap. Hi everyone, my name is Milos, SAP Logistics Solution Architect in Koretrust, and today finally we have a final review after quite some video series about the EWM BBP template. I'll go through all the steps, all the 10 steps to build an EWM BBP, and I'll be sharing a downloadable link of the EWM BBP template that will be in the comments. So let's go with the list. Chapter 1, we talked about the introduction, so you want to introduce the project, the context, the goal, a little bit about the plant, about the business. So you want to basically write down what this project is about, why are we building this EWM BBP. In chapter 2, we talk about systems integration. So we talk about all the different systems somehow involved or communicating with EWM that we need to map and we need to make sure communicates correctly with the EWM system. In chapter 3, we talk about master data. So all the specific master data that need to be set up in order to run EWM. In chapter 4, we talk about warehouse structure. So very important, the organizational structure, company code, plant, storage location, and then the warehouse structure, warehouse number, storage type, storage sections, storage bin types, everything related to the warehouse structure. In chapter 5, we jump into the resource management. So you want to make sure you know all the devices that you'll be using to confirm tasks on the floor, how are they mapped to EWM resources, how many different EWM resource types you have, how are you going to be building the warehouse order creation rules in EWM to group the warehouse tasks together. And also the business roles and authorizations within EWM also should be explained in this chapter. Chapter 6, inbound processes, all different inbound processes with, without ASN, with label products, with non-label products, stock transfer orders, inbound from vendors, and so on and so forth. In chapter 7, we talk about internal processes, so all the internal processes that you need to manage in your EWM warehouse, the ad hoc tasks, the posting changes, the physical inventories, everything in that area, replenishment, should be mapped here, internal process. Chapter 8, we're 8.8, it's outbound process. So everything, all the processes you need to map and you need to run in your EWM warehouse to run the outbound, to be able to ship the goods to the customer. A very, very important chapter. You need to make sure the goods are shipped in full on time. Chapter 9, we talk about extra processes. So if there is a specific process that doesn't fit in inbound, internal, or outbound, that is usually very like cross-docking could be one, then you want to map it and describe it properly in a specific chapter, in the extra process chapter. Production integration, another great example. ASRS integration, another great example. And you basically want to build a chapter on its own to fully describe the characteristics of this extra process. There could be more than one extra process, keep that in mind. And finally, chapter 10, reporting. Of course, we need to check how things are going. It's both operational reporting, so needed on the floor for the supervisors to check what's going on and what do they need to do to intervene or change, adapt as the warehouse operations are running, or more midterm, long-term reporting. So how did we do this month? That is used for overview rather than for operations. All right, wow, what a journey, 10 chapters. I don't know if you feel it, I feel it was intense. A lot of videos, a lot of content. I really hope you enjoyed it and you liked it. Once again, you can find not one, but 2 great files to download. Thanks to the whole Koretrust team for helping me put everything together and make it available for you for download. You can find the link below in the comments, so make sure you check it out, you like it, and you use it. You will find the EWM BBP template manual, so a more thorough explanation of all the different chapters, and you will find a one-pager, the cheat sheet, the one you want to keep with you before jumping into building your own EWM BBP. I really hope you like it. I really hope you enjoy it. That's my goal. And I look forward to your feedbacks. We need feedbacks. It was quite some work. So you like it? Great. Write a feedback, write a comment. You don't like it? You think it can be done better? Great. Write a comment, write a feedback. I want to hear from you. Thanks everyone. Enjoy your day and see you very soon. Bye.